guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to deal with PTE listening question type select missing word. Okay, in PTE listening, there is a question type where the word is missing and you've got to listen to the audio and you got to type in that missing word. So what are the tips and techniques so that you find all 5 or all 6 missing words and you get full score over there? Okay, you might be surprised, now I teach PTE as well. I used to teach IELTS, I teach IELTS, and I will teach IELTS, but now I teach PTE as well because it's another fastest growing test. So I have adopted PTE as my second child. Anyways, the first thing is you need to understand the context, that the audio or whatever they are discussing in the audio, what type of thing are they discussing? Is it a conversation in academic situation? Or is it a conversation among 2 friends? So you need to see what is the context of the audio that they are discussing. So if there is any similar context, or if you have experienced something similar in your own life, or if you've heard something before, you can try to, relate that with this context, and this is how you can understand things better. Next, listen for the clues. You know, when there are the gaps there, right? Sometimes there will be is, am, are, and then there will be the blank. It means you need to use ing form of the verb if the answer is verb, right? So there are clues. You need to listen for those clues as well. Sometimes they start a tense, and you know, in certain tense they use certain forms of the verb. So like this, you can guess the answer, but the answer will come in the audio and you have to write the same word. You cannot write the synonym. You have to write the same word after picking it from the audio with the same spelling, okay? So you can listen for clues as well. Anticipate the missing word. You should know when the missing word is going to come. For example, if missing word is going to come after the word mobile, so you should be alert, right? For example, today, I'm going to tell you a couple of things about mobile. Therefore, you have to be attentive. Now, therefore is missing word. It came after mobile, right? So what you need to do, you will be given a mouse so you can follow the text on the screen with the cursor. But remember, you've got to type it as well. So make it a habit that your fingers are on the keyboard and you can just follow the text like this, and you can use tab key. With the help of tab key, you can go to the next blank, then press tab key. You can go to the next blank. Like this, you can type your answers easily. Otherwise, you'll be holding the mouse, following the cursor. When answer comes, you leave the mouse, you come to the keyboard, right? So you need to develop your good typing skills as well. Now, I don't say you need to type 40, 50 words, 60, 70, 80 words per minute. But you should have good typing speed so that you type with your 4 hands, not a single finger. This and that and all that, okay? So you may anticipate the missing words, whatever they are. Consider word forms. Now, what are word forms? Word forms are like, we use adjective. So we've got the second degree of adjective. We've got the superlative degree. Second degree is also called comparative degree of adjective. So you need to consider the word forms. For example, if they use has been and it's present perfect continuous. So with has been, present perfect continuous, they use since, for, right? They use ing form of the verb. So you need to consider the form of noun. Nouns are nouns, proper nouns, common nouns and all that. But you need to consider the forms of verb, forms of adjective, as they are the main parts of your answer. And finally, review your selection. Whatever you have selected, you can just see if there is any spelling mistake or if there is any missing spelling. Spelling mistakes are common, but missing spelling, they are very common because when you type, sometimes you overtype. For example, answer is water, and by mistake you write W-A-T-E-R, again you write A, right? So this is how your right answer may be wrong. So if you follow all these techniques and then practice on your favorite PTE app, whatever that is, select standard PTE app and you can practice further, and this is how you can improve your score and you can get your desired score in PTE, and one day you will land in your destination country. Because of IELTS, there was a vast majority of students who had given up on their dreams of going to a foreign country. Now they are rising again because of PTE. They have another ray of hope. Okay, so they're going to be successful by going to their destination country. All the best, guys. I also teach PTE online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. If you wish to be the part of my PTE online or in campus classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.